As human beings reshape the pulse of the earth with electric wires, some longtime residents stubbornly insist on dancing upon them, such as this group of birds waltzing between insulator strings. This 1.42-gram bird dropping hit the weak spot of modern civilization.
没事的啦，擦一下就好了。
哇，这你不是吃了泻药吧？弄了头大的。
Who could have thought that such a cute bird is one of the biggest threats to power systems, second only to lightning and human damage? If they settle in the inappropriate places on the transmission towers, the scattered nesting materials and droppings can become a time bomb, causing line failures and power outages.
班长出大事了！
啊，怎么了？
天桥上有鸟窝，你看，我刚被鸟屎袭击了。
这个不是什么小事，得赶紧处理。
Go beyond conventional thinking and relocate the bird's nest to a safer place. These aerial neighbors, once a headache for power line inspectors, have now become their special partners. Their nesting preferences inspire human beings how to build a more considerate power grid. Perhaps the highest form of civilization lies in this engagement between power line inspectors and birds. When electric current and life share the same power line, it serves as the best evidence that industrial development can promote the harmonious coexistence of man and nature.
新家欢迎你哦。